went through at least two, maybe three pieces of private property to get to here. I have a feeling you're not welcome. That's great. How's your party going? Don't bring your fucking smelly camera guy. Mary really enjoyed her walk in the swamp. Fucking eat that shit like I'm made for it. We found Justin's buck to use before he shot. He's a shooter. He shows up, shooter. Meh. So we're way late, but we found a piece of commercial forest, which is huntable land in Michigan, private land that's huntable, and it's landlocked by private. So we reached out to the DNR, and there's actually an easement to come in here, a deeded public easement. They sent us the map, so we followed the easement through to no trespassing signs. Is that a tick? Anyways, we went through at least two, maybe three pieces of private property to get to here. Supposedly, per the DNR, deeded public access. So, we do have a feeling we're not welcomed. No, there's ticks everywhere. Yeah. That means there's gonna be deer here, though. And without a doubt, are gonna piss some people off because there's 2 food plots on private putting up to this. People are like mowing a nice path on the commercial forest, like it's their own property, and trying to keep other people off of it. Public land, so good for them. But we got the public access map, and we are here, and it looks freaking money. The only problem is we got in late, and now we're set up on the ground in some trash setup. We got like 1 lane that goes right to this guy's food plot. So, don't expect much from this hunt. Super stupid. That's right. I have 1 consolation prize. We found Justin's buck the year before he shot. He's a shooter. He shows up, shooter. Straight through into the orchard, there's like 4 or 5 deer. One staring right at us.
Who the heck works on a Saturday? Yeah, dude. We're supposed to be set up already.
Yeah, I know. Sound like my wife.
Welcome to the channel. PS.
Something to tell you.
Oh, God.
You owe me $150.
104. That's a lot of money.
I know, dude. I fucking bought the saddle.
What? What saddle?
Oh, shoot. I shouldn't have said the F-bomb, but the one we're about to give away.
Which one did you buy? That? You pulled the trigger on that?
Had to, dude. Oh, yeah, that's the tricky part. Show them the pin.
Alright, so here's where we're going. We gotta park somewhere off of this road and walk into this swamp. And that is where the camera is.
Yeah.
We think they're, oh God, we're gonna die. And we think they're bedded over here by this river, either on the south side or the east side. See if we can get lucky on a doe or a buck. Kinda got a mess in the tree. We got GoPros and bows and backpacks.
2 bows, 2 GoPros, 2 backpacks.
If a doe comes in, then Jay's gonna let the doom eat.
Still gotta fill that freezer.
And then if a buck comes in, we're just gonna see where it's at.
We'll do what we gotta do.
Do what we gotta do. We need to get on the board. They're in here. Does right
We
now.
have a transition line, like, right. That's an air. Like, we have an air, okay. Did we just get stopped at?
Yep. Two does. Literally, the doe was like, I could have shot her. But she already pegged me by the time I left. Because we're too weird. Bullshit. I should not have walked down there.
Yep.
We walked right in.
That's great. I was turning into manual focus because he was screwing the shit. But,
Well, we're fucked now.
why don't you tell us how that nose jammer works?
Doesn't work great.
That's not good, dude. I thought I heard something over there earlier, and I was watching, and then I saw him just.
Well, we need to wash our clothes. Experiment on nose jammer. My review, 0 out of 5.
Yeah.
I smell like vanilla.
It smells pretty good.
It smells good, which is probably not a good thing.
It'd be cheap cologne.
What?
It's cheap cologne.
Pretty much. I mean, yeah, we walked in right here.
Yeah.
He was back there.
Yeah. Yeah, we went around this. We went around this dead fall tree. So we did just come out that way and then in. But he was way back there. How's your morning going?
Note to self. Don't bring your fucking smelly camera guy.
Oh man. It's hard to be disappointed about a sit when you see deer, because we did see deer for the first time sitting in the spot. First sits always seem to be like really good, but
Obviously, we need to give the spot a break.
we're gonna give this spot a break because it smells like vanilla ice. Wasn't here doing a dance.
Shout out to Nose Jammer. I hope you guys are here for the entertainment, because we're a bunch of amateurs out here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back at it. It's been a slow week, slow start to Michigan, but we're out here. I got a good feeling about tonight. We're going to be going after a deer. Not a buck only, we're going to be going after a deer. We're going to break the ice tonight. Hopefully get some deer down, maybe more than one. I doubt it. Back on this ridge system on public land. And Jay sat here last night and got blown at, but there were a bunch of deer near this morning, so we're gonna give it a try. Let's see what happens.
Meh.
Let's go. Finally. That doe came up the hill. It came around. Came right into here. Probably 20 yards and we're on the board. Yes, sir. Yeah, no, it looked like I drilled her. There. Still shaking. Can't believe a doe gets this hyped up. Yes. Alright guys, we got down from the tree. It's gonna be raining here pretty soon and I didn't really want to sit too much longer. It's been probably about 45 minutes since the shot. Yeah, since it's gonna rain, just kinda wanna check the arrow. It's gonna rain probably in like an hour, but I'm gonna check the arrow, see what blood looks like, and then I'm gonna go back and get Justin at the house, watch the footage, and we'll come back and get the Baits and Bucks team on the board, hopefully. See my knock. Yep, that looks about caked. That looks real good. Doom Broadhead, baby. Getting it done. I'm gonna keep that right here. She was standing kind of on the edge here. Oh yeah, we already got blood. We already got blood. We just started. Heck yeah, we already got blood impact. I'm gonna go back, get Justin, and we're gonna go do some tracking and hopefully some cutting up tonight. We'll meet you guys back here.
Something big boy.
New Year, dude.
Big boy. Let's fucking go. Broke the ice, son.
Yes, sir.
Let's go look at that footage there.
Oh, look at it.
Shut that thing off, dude. I got dinner for you. You earned it.
Oh, God.
Pizza, wings, subs.
Bro, I got 35 miles till empty.
That's plenty. You shouldn't have backed in the old crusty. So we got a friend who does some dog tracking.
Yeah, so we got a buddy who has does some dog tracking. I think he's got a brand new dog.
Yeah, little pup.
Little pup, and pretty sure it's a heart shot and should be easy to find, but we're gonna give him some practice. We're gonna bring him with us and see if the pup can get some experience and have him talk a little bit about tracking deer for you guys.
Yeah, and we'll put his stuff up too. If you do live anywhere in northern Michigan by chance, he'd definitely be someone to do. Also, pretty excited about it because I've actually never, I don't think I've ever had a dog work.
I've never seen a dog work.
And it's raining. Granted, it's not raining that hard. This is
usually we are the dog.
We are the dog. We got quite a bit of tree cover in here, so it shouldn't be washed away by any means, but it'll be nice if that trail does thin out. It'll be cool to see. Hopefully it's close, and any chance of losing this deer should be pretty much over now.
My hunter today, I got a customer number. It's 758-0608.
Can you go again with that number?
But with that much blood dumping out of it, there's no way she washed it all away.
Yeah, it looks like she seems like she's on something. Yeah, here's more right here on top of the hill that you just walked over. She was smelling this right here.
Let's go. We got her.
Oh, she's stiff too. She didn't Definitely didn't go far, last long.
Helps, but she got a line down that hill, and I knew that's.
We separated it. She started to wobble like it's right there.
You could see, I could see that she was on some decent bounce marks coming down through here too. There was just no blood with it.
Second recovery?
That's Kim's second recovery.
2 for 3.
She's not doing so bad for her first year.
No. What was our distance on
Just
that?
takes her a
From
minute
the
to get
shot?
started. Distance on the shot,
Oh, it stayed on public too.
81.
Literally that log might be the border.
I'm gonna show you guys how to gut a deer. Apparently Jay thinks that I'm good at it. So
No, he's good, but he's fast.
yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Now he's gonna go quick, lose a finger.
Probably. So
Nice doe harvested. Public land.
that's right, public land. I always start below the sternum, maybe because I'm used to, I don't really cut into the sternum, but I make an incision right below the sternum, get my fingers right in there, and rip it right down. Keep your blade down, but not pointed down, just kind of even. Fingers spread apart, all the way down. All the way down. Here's a mama.
Yeah, this part is gonna be real good for you too. But you know what? We're not monetized yet anyways, so
That's right.
screw it.
Make sure you go all the way down, get to the butthole. Gonna cut all this out. Reach up in there, do the diaphragm.
Excited to see how these lungs and heart look. If we got any heart, definitely got double lung for sure.
You can never have a bad pelvic saw. Definitely there's heart there. I don't feel lungs.
Oh, there's a hole in the heart.
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay, muscles.
And
This is the most likely chance to cut yourself.
it's
right
the most
here.
likely chance to cut yourself. So for me, since I cut everything down, I cut through the pelvic saw, I took the esophagus, I broke it off kind of a little bit, put it in my hand. I'm going to take my blade, keep your blade on the outside, reach up in there, be careful. And you're going to cut the esophagus.
And all the arteries and everything that go up to the brain.
And you're just going to pull it out.
And you're going right, trying to get everything in one swoop right out the pelvis. Okay, hopefully your friend is strong and can hold the front legs.
And right down. Slipping.
Nice mature doski.
Woo! Alright guys, buddy, I can't see out of my glasses and it's wet. But we did it. She ran about 80 yards. Luckily we had the dog here and was able to pick up some blood, and we found the deer pretty much not where we thought she ran.
That's right, we threw the dog off.
Yeah, we were on the board for the year and we're gonna keep going, see if we can get a buck.
Tyler, you want to plug the page?
Happy Hounds Deer Recovery. We're always here for you.
Thanks. How'd you feel about the track?
Oh, it was a good one.
It was interesting.
She works slow. We threw her off at the beginning. I wish we wouldn't have done that because she pegged it right out of the gate and we would have saved ourselves a lot of time, but one restart and she hooked onto it and got us there.
Yeah, and this was what, her third track, right?
This is her third live deer track.
Third live deer track.
Second recovery.
Can't blame her for that.
Make sure you guys go down, like, and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have more hunts like this coming up. Super pumped to have my first self-filmed deer, and hopefully we get Justin's next. We'll catch you on the next one.
She looks dead in there.
This episode is brought to you by